Imagine you're traveling and someone asks, "What time is it?" And you freeze. Let's fix that today. Hi, friends. Welcome back to Easy English Tube, where English is easy, fun, and useful. Today, we're going to learn how to tell the time in English. This skill is super useful in everyday life when making plans, catching a bus, or meeting someone. Let's begin with asking for the time. You can say, "What time is it?" "What's the time?" Or, more politely, "Could you tell me the time, please?" Now, let's talk about how to say the time. When the minute is 0, we use o'clock. For example, it's 1 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Easy, right? Now let's look at minutes after the hour. We say the number of minutes past the hour. It's 5 past 1. It's 10 past 3. It's quarter past 5. It's 20 past 7. And it's half past 9. Next, minutes before the hour. We use 2. It's 10 to 2. It's quarter to 4. It's 20 to 8. It's 5 to 10. Don't worry if this feels tricky. With practice, it gets easy. Now let's talk about AM and PM. AM is from midnight to noon. PM is from noon to midnight. So we say it's 8 a.m. It's 6 p.m. Sometimes people also say around noon, just before midnight, in the evening, late at night. Let's practice a short dialogue. A. "Excuse me, do you have the time?" B. "Sure, it's 2:30. A. "Thank you." B. "You're welcome." Now repeat after me. What time is it? It's 4:45. It's 10 past 11. It's 9 a.m. It's 4 p.m. Nice. Here are some useful tips. Always speak clearly. Use please when asking for the time. And remember, quarter means 15 minutes. Half means 30 minutes. Let's do a quick quiz. Which sentence is more polite? "I want the time," or "Could you tell me the time, please?" Of course, the second one. Great work today. Now you can ask for the time, tell exact time, use past and to, and say AM and PM correctly. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe and keep practicing. This was Easy English Tube, where English is always easy, fun, and useful. See you in the next video.